Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl mom, Eve Ishauna, guys.
Welcome.
And today we're gonna be making supper with Hailey. Say hi to the people.
Hi guys.
How was school today?
School was good, fun. Yeah.
What else?
You
were doing exams.
Yeah, we're also doing exams. And we're closing next week on Wednesday.
Okay guys, without further ado, let me show you what I'll be making tonight. So I'm gonna be making bananas and potatoes. We have carrots there, tomatoes. Then I'll be blending the tomato, guys. And my sufuria is almost hot because I'm going to be using the pan. Also guys, I was washing clothes here, but I had to pause first. Yeah, so put in the oil. It's almost burning. There is something there. It's showing that it was burning.
Yeah.
It was very hot because I had washed everything. It's now very hot.
When it's too hot, it'll start doing.
Bananas have a lot of benefits. So, for example, when you have a cold, the doctors will give you zinc, vitamin C, and probably antibiotics or cold flu. So zinc comes naturally from bananas. Okay, bananas have zinc, and that helps in, what is it called, fighting immunity. So if you want to have a strong immunity, make sure you eat a lot of bananas. So we are going to be showing you an easy way to fry. I'll just blend the tomatoes. Yeah, so let's start. So I'll pour in the tomatoes. Don't go so fast.
I'm afraid of oil.
Really, it's very hot.
It's hot.
Stop shaking and then do like this. Yes. So I'll cover. Kitoy. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Okay. So as it's cooking, I will blend the tomatoes. So see you in 5 minutes.
So they're almost ready. So put in the garlic.
Yeah. My hands are clean, guys, so I've washed them as I'm cooking. Yeah, pause. Let's wait. I blended them just a little bit. Yeah. So let me pour just a little bit to speed up the process of cooking.
Because tomorrow is school.
Yeah.
It'll be ready in 5 minutes.
So I'm gonna leave that to simmer a bit. So I'm trying to cut them into small pieces because they have started oxidizing. Like that, faster. I don't want them too small just the right size. Michelea nini? These are my bananas, and then I also have some carrots. Show them. I also put the eggplant inside, and then my carrots. Then I'm gonna be putting now the bananas. Yeah. Then I stir. Then I'll add salt and some cubes. Or let me add everything right now so that we are not doing this. I'll add in some water and then I allow it to simmer. I didn't put the salt. Then I'll be adding to some cubes to make it tasty. Why? This one can't be. Yeah. So I'll be adding more. Hey. It can't be pressed, yeah. And then some salt, but not much. Let me stir.
Shine will eat.
She'll eat.
Yeah.
But this one is a bit spicy. I'll prepare for her that's not spicy.
Only added
Salt. Yeah, so let me now cover. Then let's go do some dancing.
Crystal,
Say
what do you
hi.
want?
Amani, say hi to the people. Say hi to the people, Amani.
Say hi.
Crystal,
Say hi, Crystal.
You want carrots?
She wants carrot.
Okay, I'm gonna be peeling for her. But first, let's go do some dancing.
Shine! Shine! Say hi! Shine! Say hi!
Guys, and if you're suffering from pimples, acne, dark spots, I do make organic skincare products, and I'm gonna be officially going back to probably work from January. But I also have creams. These creams are made with coffee and honey. So I have a cream that is made with coffee and honey, and I also have a soap that has fruits. Another one has honey. So if you are suffering from pimples, acne, dark spots, or you have hyperpigmentation, sunburn, don't hesitate to contact me. My number is on the screen, guys. So let's go and check the food. It's almost ready, but not yet. Stop shaking. Hapo hata tutaweka. I can see it's almost ready. And
The aroma
is yo. Ebu, let's see if it's ready, not yet.
No.
Oh, but it's almost. Yeah, let me not stir so much.
it will be more chemo.
The aroma is amazing. Makes me want to dance some salsa. So yeah, let's wait for it. The food is ready. Ooh. Tissue. Almost. So the food is ready now. Let's have a taste. See the way it looks nice. Mm. It's sweet, oh. Mm. The flavor is bursting on in my mouth. So sweet and yummy, guys. So let me enjoy dinner, please. Like this video, guys. And this one is for you. This one is for you, my subscribers. Ciao.